Okay. What is viruses?
Germs.
So what it looks like?
It's a circle and spikes on it.
It has spikes on it.
Spikes on it. Ah. So what
So
does
that-
it?
so
What they do? What they do?
They fall down in the real blood cell mans. That's the soldiers from your body, and they walk on blood type ropes, and then they're chew holding the blanket, and the blanket was holding the virus, and the virus had real vaccines on it, so it can't move and fight all around. Then there was another blood cell man, and she jumped off the rope and beat off the virus, but then it broke and got dead.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's when you eat healthy, when you have the soldiers in your body that fight off the virus, right?
Yeah, it makes it strong to beat off the virus.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on.
You
Come
learned in
here.
school today?
Come here. I'm gonna ask something else. Okay.
You?
Tell
You don't
me.
teach
So
them in school?
how did you say that? Where is the oxygen goes? How it
In
works?
the blood cells.
Blood cells has the oxygen.
Yeah, it carries the oxygen.
Okay. Come over here. You tell me how it works.
First it's connected to the heart, but then the blue one is connected to the heart too. But then the blue blood cells from the blood, the heart pumps the blood on the blue blood cell, but then the oxygen all goes in the red, all goes in the blue blood cell, but then it turns back into red, but then it goes into the red vein again.
How about we start with the breathing? When you breathe, the oxygen goes in your body, right?
Yeah, but
It goes in your lungs.
But then the blood cell turns blue because there's no more oxygen left.
So no more oxygen left. So
Yeah,
blood cells turns to blue.
Yeah.
So what happens then?
But then it goes inside the blue vein. But then it connects to your heart. But then the blood go from the heart pops out on the blood cell, on the blue blood cell. But then the oxygen from the blood goes inside the blood cell. But then it goes back in the red vein. Then it falls down again.
Yeah, because it's a circle, right?
Yeah. Does she know about the...
Okay, I'm gonna ask you something, but I want you to. Hold on. I want you to respond to me in Turkish.
Yeah.
Who miss anneanne?
Ben.
Who loves anneanne?
Ben.
Thank you. Mia, who miss anneanne?
Ben.
Who love anneanne? Who loves?
Ben.
So what Ben means?
Me.
Mia.
Okay.
You want to
Oh, that's
count?
for breathing.
Bir,
Yeah, listen. What,
iki,
what is she?
you tell me.
Andrew.
Üç first.
Andrew, ask
Üç,
her.
and then
Dirt, trash,
beş, altı,
altı,
yedi,
yedi,
and then
sekiz,
good job.
In here.
Dokuz,
dokuz,
on.
She goes like
on.
this.
Good job. How about
No,
ask
no,
Anneanne?
no.
Ask Anneanne, how are you doing?
Grandma.
How are you doing?
No, in
Turkish.
Turkish.
Drums get on.
How do I say that?
Oh, you forgot?
Remember? Nasılsın?
Say there. Nasılsın? İyiyim.
Nasılsın?
İyiyim, sen nasılsın?
İyiyim, sen nasılsın? You say that.
Nasılsın iyiyim?
Nasılsın Andrew?
Nasılsın iyiyim?
Okay, let me ask you something. What is your full name?
Andrew Cengiz.
Andrew Cengiz. What is your full name, Mia?
Mia Darren.
Mia Derin.
What is it?